Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wish and I'm going to show you few things about my Redbubble, how I made $2,000 in few months with few designs. So let's get started. Basically, I started Redbubble like 1 year ago when I lost my job. So I just keep searching on the articles and all the video stuff, and then I get to know about Redbubble. Then when I get search about it and know about it, and then I keep searching about Redbubble, and in the end I get the results. Basically, I earned $2,000 with few designs, and let me show you which design are these. Basically, the number one design is this design, which means unite behind the science. Basically, this is a simple typographic design which helped me a lot, and it showed me the right path to earn money. And the second one is this one, defend the media. You guys may know or remember last year when the incident took place in United States. It is regarding to it. And the third one is this one, make racists afraid again. So basically, this is a simple design. In the upcoming videos I will let you know how to make these designs, and in the last one are these sticker packs. I will tell you more about these designs, that how can you make these designs easily and smoothly. These are all the designs which let me earn $2,000. So I will also show you how I search the designs. Basically, when I get to the Redbubble search tab, I just type there anything like any alphabet A, Z, like this, and ask my wife, she knows everything. So the markup here, this one small, showing the trend sign. You have to be careful with the copyrights because there are a lot of problem with the copyright. And so this is the trending designs, and the search results are low, 818. So these are all the designs. I will, in the further videos, I will let you know how to make designs easily and smoothly and earn a lot of money from Redbubble print on demand. So these are all the things. Again, I will show more trending. All these are the trending topics. You can make designs about it. You just have to be careful that the design not be copyright, or the search result will be low. So these are all the designs we have here. You can make any of these. In my opinion, the sticker packs sells a lot. These stickers sell a lot, and the sticker pack I have showed you here sells a lot. So these are few other things which help me a lot to earn a great amount of money. So yeah guys, this is it from my side. If you want to get any knowledge or any information regarding Redbubble, you can comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you.